There's a lot of heavy hitters in the room here from all parts of the ag ecosystem. There's farmers who will speak their mind, who understand farming, but who also understand innovation. There's lawyers, there's people who know how to do contracts and agreements between companies. There's investors in the room. Lots of big names, serious people who've got decades of experience in agriculture. They're here and they're engaging with some of us who are quite early in the journey, as well as some people who are more later stage. But this is really a nice melting pot here of the key players in ag.
As a European ecosystem, we want to explore how we can connect globally into other strong ecosystems for agri-tech. And that's what we see here with St. Louis.
Because I've traveled the country, I've knocked on the doors of companies, I've tried to meet people in business development, and a lot of the times it's hard to get into those rooms, and here they're just standing around wanting to talk to you. And so what happens here is that you come in for one reason, you come in thinking about one crop, and then you end up in a BD meeting with a company that wants to leverage your technology for an entirely different reason.
I think it's really the goal of our team with Illinois Farm Bureau is let's have those conversations now when you've got the idea and you're starting to create the process of, okay, I've got an idea and it seems to make sense in a lab and it seems to have value. So let's get you connected with somebody that's going to put some seed money in, but then let's get you connected up with somebody that can actually plant this on a field in the ground.
I've only been, just exposed, and it's sort of like I'm in a full-on honeymoon phase at the moment, and it's really nice. And it's cool to see that this ecosystem is so much bigger, but still everybody is so much in it to help the ecosystem, help the region, and support each other. I appreciate that a lot.
You do not only have the facilities for the lab and the machinery and the professionals for the scientific part, but also the greenhouse, the possibility to test in the field, and of course all the legal support and the commercial support as well, the investors, the clients, everything is happening in St. Louis.